We will be calling him John Doe. He is, according to his attorneys, one of around 100 former patients at UHS facilities across the state who they represent. Adults who say they were sexually abused as children by the staff working at those facilities. Today, the building that sits at 520 North Ridgeway is called Garfield Park Hospital. It is one of more than 300 inpatient psychiatric care facilities for children, teenagers, and adults run by the Pennsylvania-based Universal Health Services Company. In 2001, it went by the name Hartgrove Hospital.
My mother felt that I needed to get some help for my behaviors.
It was in this building where, at the age of 11, this now 35-year-old man says he was sexually abused just 2 days into his months-long stay.
It was almost an every other day occurrence while I was there. If they took more than one of us, then they said that they were going to go have a group session. They would force us to do things to each other.
In filing a lawsuit on behalf of John Doe this week, his attorneys say Hartgrove Hospital, which is now at a new location, also on the city's west side, has a long history of child abuse, which they claim goes on till this day.
We're seeing a lot of the same names come up, and that tells us that there's serial predators that were there. I mean, these people were apex predators, preying on the most vulnerable kids.
Over the years, Hartgrove and UHS in general have been the subject of various investigations, including one conducted in 2010 by UIC and another just 2 years ago by the United States Senate. And while UHS has been forced to pay out several multi-million-dollar settlements related to sexual abuse over the years, counsel for Hartgrove Hospital today disputed the allegations contained in this lawsuit. The safety of all patients is of paramount importance to Hartgrove Hospital, and we take these allegations seriously. Based upon preliminary review of the lawsuit, Hartgrove denies the allegations against them and intend to defend this case vigorously. Attorneys telling us that while their client remembers faces and a couple of first names, they hope that through the discovery process, they will be able to fully identify those who abused him all those years ago.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.